Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add a bio on Snapchat. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Snapchat, open the app. Let me get back. And after that, go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that, go and click on public profile. And here, go and click on the pen icon on the top right of the screen. And as you can see here on your profile, you can tap to add a bio. You tap to click and write test, for example. And that's it. Like that, you added your bio to your profile. I hope that you liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.